Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels M case, which we've done, which are in the stores now, but this is the international case. And whenever I have an international case, that C4982 says international, it usually comes from these folks. Ken over at A&J Toys, you want one of these, you go to him, andjtoys.com. You want car culture, you want Matchbox, you name it, all the Mattel brands, all the Mattel lines, he's got them. Great way for you to get a case of them, open them up, see what you got inside. That's what we are going to do now with this M case. So let's just go ahead and cut this thing open. Models we'll be familiar with, right? But we're just going to go through and just see what's inside, see if there's anything different. We're looking for treasure hunts, we're looking for super treasure hunts, we're looking for anything that just seems a little different, right? And that's what's kind of fun about doing these kind of unboxings, and I'm thankful that, that Ken sends these over. And yeah, he's a great source. I get these questions because sometimes I get the cases from Mattel, right? And then people go, hey, where'd you get that? Well, that one from Mattel, but you definitely want to go to A&J Toys to get these cases if you want them. And we start with the Driftsta in purple, the Hot Wheels Warp Speeder, and then the Aristo Rat. We'll go fairly quick on these so we can get you in and out. Hot Wired Dodge Viper RT. There's the Toyota Supra, which I would consider a highlight of this case. And based on the M cases I've seen, you guys consider that too, because that's nowhere to be found. Corvette Gasser, another one that's fantastic. I think debuts in this case. I think so. 15 Dodge Charger SRT and the Snowstormer. Ford Mustang. There's the wind picks up. Nissan Leaf Nismo and the Dodge Challenger drift car. It's nice. I love doing my videos outside. And, you know, sometimes the elements fight a little bit, but wind is good, and we're going into fall, which is a perfect time for filming. Anyway, Sand Burner, there's a big highlight, which we've all seen. A lot of you are picking this one up, doing all kinds of fun things with it, customizing it. It's a Nissan Maxima drift car. It is one of the major highlights of the year, I think. One of the best models of the year for sure. Hot Wheels Rapid Response. Dima designed that one. Lightning Bug. Mazda RX-7, and then of course the Honda Civic Custom. Did I show that? There we go. Honda Civic Custom, another major highlight of this case. Or actually, well, I think it came before. Okay, we get two in the international case. We're already two in with the Maxima. You want to see multiples of these castings that everyone wants. Sandburner, and there's the Viper again. Lay-in Lowrider, which has been a cool casting. Corvette Gasser, and then the recolor of the Koenigsegg Chimera. I think when I opened the first M case, we did not have this recolor of the Chimera in it. You know, there's always there's no guarantee you're gonna get anything in a case, right? But sometimes you do want to see, especially the new models, what's supposed to be there. Mazda RX-7 in that's the recolor. So is the Cyber Speeder, I think. No, that might be new for this case. And then of course, the Rio Asada's Honda S2000 in red. And then we had the Zamac, I think, released in the same time, but this is obviously not a Zamac case. Second Honda, always good to see that. Dodge Charger SRT and the Custom 69 Chevy pickup. Fusion Busta 68 El Camino. Oh, look, a Batmobile. There's so many. Oh, okay. All right, another big highlight. Lamborghini Scion FKP 37. Scion. I don't know if I'm saying that one right, but that's just a great casting. The Ram Chargers Dodge, the homage to the funny car, is very cool. And then the Lotus Sport Elise is also very cool. All right, let's keep going. Oh, I already see another Maxima, so that's good. We're getting nice and loaded on the Maximas here. Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, another Lamborghini, and the Nissan Leaf. I'm liking this international case is loaded with like the good models. You're getting multiples. Barbie Extra, two of those. Sandwiched between them is the Cruise Bruiser. That's the X34 Land Speeder. This is the Lamborghini Miura. It's the M case. What's the Super in the M case? I don't remember. They're a little bit harder to find in international cases, so I don't think we have one, but maybe that's the one that's supposed to be the Super in this case. Not entirely sure. And then the Nissan Z, because the K was the Lamborghini. LMC, I just lose track. We'll figure it out. Recolor of the Z is fantastic. Turbo Shell, Donut Drifter, Lancia Delta Integrale, I think debuted in this case. Honda S2000, again, nice to see 2 of those. Lightning Bug, Chevelle SS Wagon. So yeah, you international collectors, you're getting set up nicely. Another Maxima. So that's 3 in this case. That's nice. El Camino, and then the Volvo 850 State in jet black, which is also a highlight for me. Really, really cool. All right, Turtle Shell, Camaro convertible. Or Turtle Shell, Camaro convertible. Lethal Diesel. Sorry, I think I keep bumping the mic. Fusion Busta, Nissan Z again. So now everything that we've seen that I think is really desirable, we've seen 2 of. There's the GMC Hummer. Oh! Friends, you want to see a legitimate surprise? That's a legitimate surprise. I'm looking for the Lamborghini. Did you guys notice? Maybe all of you were noticing that that is clearly the Super. You guys had to have noticed that. Oh, that's crazy. That's funny. I was looking for the Lamborghini, but it's the Mustang in this case. And yeah, that's your Super treasure hunt. Wow, wow, wow. I love pulling Supers. You're like, oh, well, they already sent them to you for free. Do you know how much I don't care they send them to me free? I'm happy that they send them to me so that I can show them to you. And I can do the Lamley Awards. That's what I'm most excited. The best thing about a Super, friends, is finding them, pulling them. So when they send me one for free, yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Because I really like showing them. I really like talking about them. But when you pull them, that's what's the fun part. And that happened to just now. Awesome. Okay, that's your highlight. Lamborghini, of course, and the Ark of Asylum. I'll put that to the side. Wow, that was fun. I get grief for getting a lot for what, people call it free stuff. And I love doing content. When I find something on the pegs too, I'm like, oh, cool, I can film about it. It's fun to do the content. Dodge Charger 500. It's fun to show you things that are coming out too. So that's what I like to do. That's what I get so much joy out of. Challenge Drift Car in the Electro Silhouette. There's the Chevy Silverado recolor in red, Rescue Duty, and the McLaren Elva. And finishing up, a little bit of cardboard here. Lethal Diesel, 2018 Camaro SS, and the Rapid Response. So a rare, international case. Maybe it's getting better because I haven't done a lot of international case unboxings this year. It's been a little sporadic for A&J Toys to get them, but if you buy them from A&J, there's a chance you get a Super. There's the evidence right there. The international cases are having them. Maybe it's getting better because I hope that the international cases, the ratio of Supers to non-Super cases is the same as it is here in the U.S. They should be rare, of course, but that's very, very cool. That is your international M case with some obvious highlights. You guys tell me what you think. Thanks, everybody. Thank you, Ken. Bye.